Welcome to Academic Daddy class. So let's say they ask you make 4-digit number from 0876352. I'm not here to teach you extensively. I just want to show you a trick. The goal of this video is to teach you a trick. So when you give me 0876352, the number, these numbers, I have no business with it. What I just need to check is how many numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if they say I should get 4-digit number from this number when repetition is allowed, the trick is simply, since I have 0 here, if 0 starts this, let's say I have 0876, it's no longer 4 digits, so 0 can start. So I will check my option. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. I have 6. Now, the minute I write 6, the minute I write 6, every other thing after this can now be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whenever repetition is allowed, the only limitation you have is the first one if 0 is there. Let's say, for example, I just have 87635 and there is no 0 in it, and they say repetition is allowed, that I should get 4 digits from this number, and repetition is allowed. I'll just do for my 4 digits, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it's repeated, since repetition is allowed, each of them can occur in 6 places. So the answer will simply be 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Here is going to be 6 times 7 times 7 times 7. So once I know this, is very important. So what this means is that 8 can occur in these places, 6 places. Since repetition is allowed, 7 also can occur in these 6 places. 6 can also occur in these 6 places. 3 can also occur in these 3 places. So, and I don't know, even 5 can occur in these 6 places. So for that reason, whenever you are given this kind of thing, what you just do is to simply say the number of places, multiply it. Now, if 0 is among, like here 0 is among, 0 cannot start. So since 0 cannot start in this one, the number of places is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So since 0 cannot be at the front, I'll have, when this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. The minute I put that 6, since repetition is allowed, even 0 can occur after that. So when I'm thinking of it, see how I need to think of it. It's more like, to do this when repetition is allowed, 0, if I come to 0 now, 0 cannot be in the first place. So for 0, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. That's why I wrote 6 in the first place. Now, for 8 can occur here, first place, occur here. That is, see, this 8 can occur here, 7 can occur here, 6 can occur here, 3 can occur here, 5 can occur here, 2 can occur here, and even 0. Once it did not start, 0 can also occur, 8 can also occur here. So notice that these are the positions of everything I have here. But see that 8 can occur in all these positions as well, since repetition is allowed. The same thing for 7. 7 can occur in this first place, occur. So now for a situation where they say, the same thing for 6. Now for a situation where they say repetition is not allowed, in this case I have, for repetition not allowed, I have 0876352, remember, and 0 can't start the first place. So since 0 cannot start the first place, that means that when I'm going through this for the 4 digits, 0 cannot start. So when I come here, remember, we take permutation and combination more, or when we think of it more of looking at what is available, what are the options. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. The minute I've chosen one here, this is out. When repetition is not allowed, if I choose this, is out, or if I choose any of it, is out. Now if I go back for 4-digit number, 0 can't start it, but once anything starts it, 0 can follow. So the remaining options I have when I come for the second item is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Now let's say I've picked this now. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I come again. What is remaining? 4. So I think the best way to look at it is that when repetition is not allowed, the first and second box will always be the same. When repetition is not allowed, then every other thing that follows will be the factorials, that is values below or behind the first two options. So let's say in this case now, using this question to judge, let's say 0876352. See, we got this. Notice that this is 6, this is 6. Factorials of 6 will range from 5. Then the next one will be 4. And see that we've occupied the whole box. So we don't need to go further. So our answer will simply be 6 times 6 times 5 times 4. Whatever we get is our answer. Thank you.